welcome back to Mad for Mondays. Today we're having a little bit of couch talk and I'm with Emma Manning, who does some pretty amazing things but has also been supporting us as well over the last 4 years, do you think, Emma?
4 or 5 years now.
4 or 5 years, wow. Time goes so fast. But I wanted to talk about something that makes a difference to the week. And you know, Emma really reminded me of this because I used to do a lot of networking and I love it. Because you get out there and you meet people that are like-minded, have some fun, some great hugs, and listen to some great people. Today we heard from Saru, who wrote, you know, A Long Way Home, and of course it was turned into that fabulous movie Lion, which I absolutely loved.
Yeah.
I arrived back from Kolkata and then it was released, so it was like, wow, you know, and it reminded me of so many things, you know, being adopted, losing my parents, finding my parents, and so there was a lot of connection, and then the people that I was with just really helped lift me up for the morning. So thank you for reminding me to network.
Yeah, you're
And
welcome.
what do you love about networking, Emma?
Well, I think it's great. I mean, being a woman in business, sometimes it can be a little bit lonely. You feel as if you're out on your own quite a lot. And so when you go along to these networking groups, you get a little bit of support and you meet up with people who are going through the same struggles. You get ideas, get really good ideas, as well as you can share your knowledge and help people who are starting out in business themselves. So yeah, I love it. And plus you get to have a coffee and you meet people.
We actually made some great coffee here today, but I really want to do this morning because I've been dying to eat this as well. So how lovely. At our networking event this morning, we received these beautiful little macaroons from the Sunshine Coast Business Women's Network. So if you are on the Sunshine Coast, come along and join it, or wherever you are in the world, there is always great groups for you to join. Men, women, chambers, and enjoy. You ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Make a difference to your week. Speak soon.
Bye.
Mm.
Oh my God.
That's good.